Hello fellow steamers, this is the after video of the Jensen 55. I think she's ready to go. As you can see, we did quite a bit of cleaning up on it. I'm going to turn the voltage reducer down. We're at 555. Let's get her about 200, 150s. That's good enough. 170-ish. Actually 150-ish. Okay. We did a little bit of work to it. This one fought me the whole way. Maybe I'm out of practice. But I put 2 new boiler bands on it. The other one was just grimy. You can see we reshot the boiler. The chimney stack and the chimney. Put a new cord on it with the keepers that I like so well. Put all the proper screws and Jensen style nuts back on it. This cylinder assembly was off when I got it, and that taught me greatly. And, we got it on there, and actually it's tighter than the one on the right, I think. The one on the right leaks a little more water. Anyway. Runs like a dream now. Using a new camera. I'll be right back. Okay. She runs equally well in both directions. But there we have it. Jensen 55 running sweetly. Whistle don't whistle very well. Didn't have a whistle and safety valve on it when I bought it. I might clean that whistle out a little bit, see if I can get some tunes out of it. Boiler's in really good shape. I'd give it an 8 or 9 out of a 10. Doesn't have any dents. I give it a quick polish, but probably not good enough. Anyway, thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Bye now.